If you want to see some amazing home decor DIY hacks that I made just using little office drawers from Dollar Tree, then this is the video for you. I cannot wait to share them, so let's jump right in. Hello, my sweet friends, and happy new year. Happy holidays to you all. I hope you had a great holiday, and I hope that your new year is starting off great and it is the best year for you. I really do, you guys. Let's bring out the best this year and, just enjoy it. So on this first DIY here, little hack, I have there, as you saw, the little letter board, and I got this from Dollar Tree. I thought those were really nice to see. I've never seen those at Dollar Tree. And then I also have two of their marble looking little office drawers, organized drawers, and I want to place them here. As you can see, you can put them however way you want. I'm using wood glue just because I don't have E6000, but I do recommend you to use E6000. So I am going to just place the two drawers side by side. That is how I want them to be on here. So I'm going to do that. I did use the wood glue and hot glue as well, so we could get that quick and dried. And so I'm going to place one down, stick it nice and firm, and then place the other one right next to it. You guys, I thought this would be a super sweet DIY and I love how it turned out. I think it's really beautiful and really useful because you can always take out the letters and just switch them out, which is really nice, and hold whatever you want on these little drawers, either your makeup, your nail polish, anything you would like on here. I hope you like it too. You have to let me know what you think of this little hack or DIY. Now I'm taking some of these little pearls that I got from Dollar Tree. I think these are really pretty. I only got one pack, but if you are making more than one of these, I do suggest getting two because I almost used the entire thing on just this top and bottom row. This is where I'm going to lay them down, just on the top and bottom. And just like this, I am going to do the next one. And then once I get those on there, I do also want to add some little diamonds from Dollar Tree. I did add four to the top and the bottom of the little wood line that don't have the pearl beads, where right on top of the drawers and right below the drawers, that's where I placed the little diamonds. And then I also placed a line of them where the two drawers meet. And now I am going to place in my little letters, but I cannot drag them in because I should have placed this in first before adding the diamonds, but I still can place them in like this. So I'm gonna put hello at the top and then beautiful in the bottom, and that way every time you look at it and grab something, it says hello beautiful, which I think is super awesome. And as I said, you can always change out the wording to whatever you would like in there, so that is really great. And once I get those letters in, that is it for this DIY. And once again, I think it turned out super pretty. You would have to let me know though what you think, and if you would give this a try, let me know down below in the comments. Let's move on to the next DIY. I have two more of those drawers, and I also have these wooden dowels that you can find at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take four of them. I want to place one on each corner of the box here, so I'm putting some a little bit on the side of the dowel and on the bottom and pressing it nice and tight against that corner. And I'm just going to repeat that for all four corners. Again, if you have E6000, it would be better, but I do not have any on hand right now, so hot glue is going to have to work, and it does hold up really good either way. So once I get all four of those on there, I do want to place the second drawer on top, and you can place it exactly how the first one is placed, or you can flip it and have it look a little bit closed in. It's up to you. Either way, it looks really nice. I just placed it how the first one is. So to do that, I just took my hot glue, placed some on the bottom of each dowel. I just basically flipped the whole thing over so that way I can get a more better direction of where the legs are gonna go on top of the other drawer. And then as you can see, they do have little circles on the bottom of them too. So that's exactly where you would like to place the dowels. And I just go ahead and press it nice and tight until it sets up a little bit, that glue, and then you are good to go. And you can flip it back over and it's looking really gorgeous now. And I am going to tie it in to make it match the other decor so it can be kind of like a set. I'm gonna add some pearls onto the wooden dowels here, you know, as I said, just to make it tie in with the other piece and make it look more pretty. So I'm just gonna take my hot glue, place it on the little pearl, and place one on each corner right below and on top of each little drawer there. And then I'm also gonna go in even with those diamonds too and add a couple here and there. Now it's up to you, just have fun with how you want it to look, because it doesn't have to look exactly like this one. You can place them obviously wherever you want and make it look, you know, as you want it to be. So I am placing them just on all of the corners, adding those diamonds as well. And here is what that looks like, you guys. I think it turned out absolutely stunning. And here I have it holding some nail polish, but again, you can have it holding anything you want, and this is so super great for anything little organization. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Next up, my friends, I'm going to be making a piece, a little tray that you can organize maybe your perfumes or something. And it's going to be along with this set that I'm making today. So I have these two little wood square pieces. They are put together. This was from a previous DIY. I'm just reusing it. And I also have this peel and stick wall tile from Dollar Tree. I think this one is really beautiful and it looks really high end. And for this piece, for the pearls and everything, I think it goes really perfect. So I am going to place this down onto here, but I am also just going to use a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that it won't be coming off. This piece that I cut here won't cover the exact length of the wood piece, but I'm just going to lay this one down first, and then I'll have to figure out which one of the other pieces matches up with the piece that I just laid down, so that way I can have it, you know, go seamlessly and you can't tell that I didn't have enough of the peel and stick paper there, and it ends up looking really good. You just have to really match up those lines and see what you have to place down, and it's super simple, you guys. And then just place your hot glue and place it down, and it looks really great. As you can see here, you can't even really tell where the other pieces were. So now I'm just taking my hot glue because I want to make a border for this tray, and I thought this white nautical rope would look really pretty. So I'm just adding that all the way around this tray here, just using my hot glue, and that works perfectly fine for us. And I do love how it's tying together. Now all we need are those pearls and diamonds once again, so it can match up, of course. And I am gonna add those just here and there on each corner of this tray. I'm just gonna add it using my hot glue, adding the pearls and the diamonds. Before I even do that, I am going to take these little square wooden cubes because I want to place them on the bottom of this tray so it can be little legs and it could rise a little bit. So I'm just going to place 4 of them to each corner using my hot glue, and there you can have it looking nice, sitting up for you and not being so flat. So you can get these at Dollar Tree, which are perfect for little legs whenever you are making a riser or something. Because I know Hobby Lobby also has little wooden legs, but they're quite pricey and you get way less for the ones that I'm using here at Dollar Tree. So I do like to use these. And I apologize for the cars that you hear passing in the background. People are so rude. I am filming here and there's always some kind of noise in the background. I try my best to go somewhere where it's nice and quiet, but life happens. So I hope it doesn't bother you too much. Now I'm just adding those pearls, as I said, and the diamonds along just all over where I think it looks good. And I don't place too many because I want this to look kind of classy and high end. So I just place a couple and a couple of the diamonds. And then once I do that, this DIY is absolutely complete, super easy, you guys. And I think this is super stunning. It ties in perfectly with the other two pieces. And this is super beautiful to place down and place your perfumes on top, or maybe even when you take off your rings or your necklaces, something like that is really beautiful. And how beautiful is that peel and stick tile? You can use that for so many things and DIYs. So I do hope you like it, and I do hope that you let me know which one was your favorite from today, you guys. I absolutely love all of them, but you would have to let me know which one was your favorite. I always love to hear your thoughts and feedback, and I always look forward to reading your comments. So do leave me a comment down below. And you guys, if you like today's content and DIYs, do give it a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And do consider hitting that subscribe button because I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. As always, you guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.